Hey guys, what's going on? Good morning. Hey guys, it's me, it's Marlon, guys. In this video today, I want to talk about I want to talk about a place that I'm pretty sure, guys. I'm pretty convinced that you can get more targeted leads and traffic in here, right? I'm loving what I'm finding out about the MLM Gateway, guys. I'm gonna do a review on the MLM Gateway and talk about how you can get more targeted leads and traffic because this is an actual platform that I actually joined a year ago and I never did anything with it, right? So over the course of the last couple of days, here and there, I was really not on the computer a lot, but I started jumping online. I was looking at it. I told you guys one of the things that I wanted to do was to become a traffic master, right? A lead generation and traffic master. I was talking about that, and so I was in here, guys, and I was looking around, and I seen a couple of reviews, and I've never got a negative review on the MLM Gateway, guys. I never got a negative, and I see a lot of the a lot of people I'm associated with. I see them using it, right? And so it kind of flew over my head. I didn't pay that much attention to it, but you know what, guys? I read somewhere or I heard somebody say the other day, the secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. The secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. So when I think when I'm saying that to say that, I think whoever it was who said it went on to say, what you do daily determines your success or your failure, right? Right. The guy said the secret of your success is hidden in your daily routine. And you talk about what you do daily determine your success or your failure. So the more places you can go and lay a foundation and lay some real estate, right? That's something that you're doing. And if it becomes a part of your routine, ultimately it will determine a higher level of your success at some point in time, right? I mean, as these things all come together, because it's just another piece of real estate that you got out there, right? And you guys always hear me talking about SOPs, standard operational procedures, stuff like that. So I just thought that this should be a good place to go. And I'm going to tell you guys why, right? Okay, so I created an account years ago. I didn't even know I still had the account. I was getting ready to go in and try to set up another account, and it told me just enter my password, right? And so I did. And so I went in and I started reading over everything. This is after watching the reviews. Now, check this out. A lot of times when we first get started on the internet, right, a budget is the thing that get in the way, right? And there's many reasons why even after you established one that you got to be careful with it and you want to get the best out of your advertising dollars. And we're talking about paid traffic now, right? So, it doesn't, you're not going to get rich off a $20 program, a $10 program, a $50 program even. And so later on, we're going to be talking about some higher ticket programs and the significance of using them as you start your business. But let's just say you are just getting started. And so you are, right now a budget is an issue. It's a concern, and that's with anybody, right? You want to be spending your dollars smart. You want to be spending them where you're going to get the most for your dollar, and you want to be spending them where you're more likely to get the most response to the ads that you're placing in different places. Whether it be a classified ad, whether it be Craigslist, anything like that, right? So here's why I like the MLM Gateway, and here's why I'm going to suggest and recommend that anybody who's just getting started online to get in here, guys, and start using it to generate more leads and traffic for your business, right? It just makes sense. Not going to cost a lot. These are actually a network of people who are actually looking for opportunities that you might have. And also, there are people in here who might have or be involved in tools, resources, training, things you're looking for. So it's a win-win situation, and it's a place where what you're doing is more likely to be seen than not when you're just kind of shooting at the stars, you know what I mean? It's a lot more targeted, if you know what I mean. So when I went in, guys, I went through every tab in here. I'm not going to go through every tab in here today, but I'm going to leave a link so you guys can access the actual page if you want to and get in here, sign up for free, and start getting some free targeted leads and traffic to your actual opportunity. Really, really affordable, really targeted stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? And so if that's been an issue, this is a great place to go, and you're going to find there are all kinds of ways to start getting those leads and traffic. Now, I'm waiting on a few things because one of the very first things that I did when I got in here, guys, is I created what they call a business announcement. And if you see right here up at the top, that's going to be a place where you can go to start talking about your business, right? And you're actually going to be introduced into the platform, and you're going to create one of these business announcements, which is going to be the cornerstone of you being able to get traffic and leads, targeted traffic and leads to your particular opportunity, because you have to write these business opportunities up. It has to be at least 400 characters, number one. I'm going to show you guys in a minute, guys, right? And it can't be copy and paste, right? And the reason they do that, guys, is because they want this to be real content that was created by you. Now, you might think you can go ahead and paste some stuff together. I don't know. You may be able to. But I wrote my business announcement out word for word, and I actually went over 400 characters, which is recommended. Well, it's not recommended. It's required. But then once that happens, guys, let me show you this, because this is where you're going to start at. Once that happens, and my particular business announcement is pending right now, right? But this section talks about everything that you need to know about, well, let me show them in the right place. Everything you're going to need to know about that business announcement, right? So look, you're going to find out all that out. And so what you want to do, guys, is whatever business you're marketing, promoting, right? Don't go get your ad copy. You can take ad copy from the actual page, but make it your own, right? Change the words around, speak in your own voice, you know what I mean? Break it up, because you're gonna definitely need a business announcement. Well, you're gonna want a business announcement in here. You don't have to have one, but here's the thing. My business announcement right now, as you guys can see, it is actually pending. It said that. I saw it somewhere on here. Your business announcement. You can see right here, right? See down here, guys? It's pending review, right? But let me show you how I wrote it up. If I can click on it, I'm going to click it up. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to open it up and show you this. And I'm going to show you the cool thing about it, right? Okay, guys, I just did a business announcement inside of MLM Gateway for the SMS phone leads voice prospecting system, right? And I wrote this entire blurb up. I wrote it up. You have to do it, guys. You have to do this, and you want to do this because the way that they have it optimized with the search engines that's integrated into the platform, it's going to help you get traffic, right? Hopefully, generically, all over the place. But inside the platform itself, inside of the community, there are people inside here who are also listing their business announcements, and yours are listed too. So when people are inside, let's go to members. Let me show you guys this. They can see your particular business announcement, right? And when they see something that sparks their attention, right, you're going to be able to, well, first of all, you can contact other members when you see stuff that they got, but they can also contact you when they see something that you have that interests them, right? Now, let me show you this. So you guys can see right here, you can contact member, contact member, contact member, see what they're doing, right? And then you can contact them. The amount of contacts you're going to be able to make is going to be it's going to be based on the amount of credits you have, guys. And you're going to learn all about all of those things inside here. The point that I'm making to you today is this is a great place to go to start, particularly if you're on, a budget of any size. It doesn't even matter. You could have a big budget and go in here and use this. You could just be working on a limited budget. But the point is, any budget, you can take any budget and go ahead and work this thing. And it's not because you can do it actually free. You know what I mean? But you're going to find, I think there's some upgrades that you can make that's going to enable you to contact even more people. And then they have advertising in here too as well, guys. But I'm going to pop over there real quick, and then I'm going to get out of here. Okay. The advertising, guys, you can set up, I've talked about other platforms that are similar to this, advertising in here for either banner ads or text ads, right? If you go Google the MLM Gateway, guys, if you have any doubts or any questions about it, because that's the cool thing, you can Google anything. You can see these guys, I think they're going to be rocking. I can't wait for my business announcement to get approved so I can get in here and start rocking and rolling. And of course, I'm going to keep you guys posted on what's going on, but you can pop over here to frequently asked questions, right? All the questions that you may have that you want to have answered, and you can take your product and service and go ahead and start promoting it, guys. I'm really loving it. So look, over here on the right, You're gonna have a dashboard that looks like this. It's gonna have your messages when people message you. It's gonna my business announcement right there. You're gonna be able to go here, talk about advertising, right? Connections right here, referral program. They got a referral program, so every time you refer the program to somebody else that you might know who might be able to use this platform, right? You will get even more credits, which is cool. You need to go over everything in the page. And one of the other things I didn't mention about the business announcement, let me just pop right over there real quick. One of the things I didn't mention about the business announcement that I want to mention, and by the way, you can put as many business announcements up as you possibly can. And for every business announcement you put up, you get even more credits, guys. It's a great place. It's a great place. I'm going to be in here, guys. But what I wanted to talk about specifically about the business announcement. What did I want to? I'm going to go. Here's the other cool thing about it, right? Once your business announcement, let me go over here again. Once your business announcement is approved, right? You're going to also be able to have 2 links inside of your business announcement, right? Like, so there's my business announcement. Somebody finds it. They likes it, right? They come down here. Where did I put it? Okay, I put it way down here. It's really small, but you see it? Right down here, guys. I read it. I'm going to edit this blur, by the way. Well, I have to wait till they get approved or not approved. But once it does, and it will. And if it doesn't, I'm going to write another one. I'm going to keep writing them until I get them approved. But it shouldn't be no problem. But anyway, you see right down here, guys, I got all of that. And then down here, if I talk, I put my over 400 character blurb in here, right? Talk about the benefits and all of those things. And a person wants to see it, they come down here and they click. And they should go over to my SMS.
See this? This is Andrew.
Now, guys, if you don't see the power of that, if you don't see the beauty of that, if you don't see the importance of that and how you're going to be able to use it, right, in your business, then you're never going to see the power and the importance of anything that you can use in your business. Okay, remember I talked in a video the other day, guys. I'm going to close out. I talked about us being our business. I talked about the SOPs, the standard operational procedure, you know, things you just kind of be doing on a regular basis, you know what I mean, to grow your business, you know, to get more exposure to yourself, more traffic, more leads, things like that. Well, this is just another avenue. This is just another resource. I even talked in one video about us we should at least have a minimum of 4 or 5 different avenues that we're using to generate leads and traffic, right? And I talked about it being anything from a solo ad, a classified ad, Craigslist. Did I say Craigslist? YouTube, right? Facebook. I think I even mentioned flyers, postcards, drop cards, you know, whatever, right? It's your business, right? You got to get as creative as you possibly can. And when you can set up this kind of thing and have it working for you on automation, because you know I love automation, that's just another one of them situations, guys, where it's going to make life a lot easier for you, okay? So if you're looking for more leads for your business, if you need more traffic for your business, if you want to get in here where the people are probably a little more, or you can laser target the actual people that you're trying to reach, then I think the MLM Gateway is a great place to go on and set up an account. It's absolutely free, right? You can do it. You can get in here. You can see the members. You can do some advertising. You can set up those business announcements, right? And you can start doing your thing right here in the MLM Gateway, guys, okay? So hopefully as time goes by and I see how this thing goes, I'm going to keep posting you guys. I'm going to keep posting videos on the MLM Gateway. Guys, go on. I'll leave the link in the YouTube video description there. Get yourself an account and get in here and start writing up those business announcements, right? Look at the advertising that they have inside the platform and start getting that some exposure for your business, okay? Anyway, guys, that's my time. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.